This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Rich history and water access community including boat ramps, park, and sandy beach. Freshly painted, new luxury plank floors in great room, kitchen, dining area, and laundry room. Recent updates include garage door opener, deck, HVAC, 2019, vent fans in all baths, dishwasher, carpet, 2019. Primary bedroom has tray ceiling, tile shower, walk-in closet, double sinks, jetted tub. Second primary bedroom perfect in-law or teen suite with private bath. Split floor plan offers open kitchen, granite countertops, custom cabinets, and access to the deck and private wooded backyard. For more information,